Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all 5 WhatsApp tricks under 5 minutes. So let's get on with it. So the first WhatsApp trick is in case you're using WhatsApp on your WhatsApp desktop or computer, you can use the instant reply feature by double clicking front of the messages without having to go to the messages and then clicking options and then clicking the reply option. The second WhatsApp trick is in case you want to view a picture or a video on WhatsApp without having to download it. All you have to do is log on to WhatsApp web and then you can view the video or picture without having to download it. If you download a picture or video onto your WhatsApp and in case you happen to delete the picture or video from your WhatsApp, you can go back to the picture and video onto the message where the message is and then you can download it back again, but this is only possible if the sender has not deleted it from their WhatsApp. If your phone happens to be running out of storage space, all you have to do is head over to the WhatsApp folder in the file manager, head over to the database folder, open it and cut all the files from it which only have date, month and year mentioned, leaving the file which does not have it, because all those files are the backups of everyday which the WhatsApp does. Then fifth one, if you want to listen to a voice message or a voice note without having to play it on the speaker, all you have to do is download the voice recording or voice note, click the play icon and raise the phone towards your ear, and immediately WhatsApp will shift from the speaker to the earpiece on your phone and it will automatically play normally as a normal call. Testing audio for WhatsApp web video. Audio for WhatsApp web video. So this is all for today. Hope so you like the 5 WhatsApp tricks under 5 minutes. Hope so you like my video. Give a thumbs up if you like my video. Share your thoughts below on in the comment section, and if you have any queries about WhatsApp, head over to the comment section and type in your comments, and also follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day. See you in the next video.